doing any installations or adjustments, it's important that the conveyor is locked out and tagged out at the power source. You must use OSHA lockout-tagout procedures prior to performing any inspections, adjustments, or maintenance operations on this equipment. Failure to follow OSHA-required procedures at all times, without exception, could result in severe injury and is against federal workplace safety laws. After the conveyor is locked out, remove the chain guard and the sprocket guards. Then, remove the drive chain. Next, loosen the pillow block bolts. Then, loosen the jam nuts and take-up bolts. Now, push the head shaft to relieve tension. Remove the cotter pin from the drive side of any axle. The axle links two apron plates together. Then, remove the axle to disconnect the belt. Place the axle back in the top half of the belt. Replacing the axle in the top half keeps all of the belt components together as the belt is pulled through the conveyor casing. Now, extract the lower half that you just disconnected. As you begin to pull, guide the belt to the floor and let it fold. If you have a large belt, you may need 2 people or an overhead lift. Now, remove all foreign objects from the casing. Finally, inspect the belt and casing for worn or damaged parts. To install or reinstall the belt in the casing, first make sure that the head shaft is all the way back. Note the directional arrow on the side wings. Place the end of the belt with the axle installed, cleat side down, in the lower run of the conveyor casing. Next, feed the belt through the casing until it comes up over the drive sprockets. Then, pull the top run of the belt over the head shaft sprockets until it is centered with the take-up slots. Now, pull on the bottom run of the belt to remove any slack in the casing. You may have to remove a pitch or 2 of belt to achieve the proper tensioning. Next, reinstall the axle, making sure all belt parts are in their proper position, especially the overlapping parts.